Haiti, a nation steeped in rich culture and vibrant history, is currently under the rule of Prime Minister Ariel Henry, a rule that's been marked by rising tensions, unanswered questions, and a deepening crisis. The crux of the matter lies in the unchecked power of the local gangs, a power that has been festering under Henry's watchful eye. 2 years have passed since Ariel Henry assumed the helm of Haiti's governance. 2 years of waiting, hoping, and calling for a multinational force to address the gang issue. Yet the solution might have been closer to home than anyone had anticipated. Haiti's army, a force of over 2,500 soldiers, sits idle, its potential untapped. Henry's decision to withhold the deployment of the army to curb the gang menace is a decision that has been met with much scrutiny. Instead, these soldiers are used as a personal security detail for the Prime Minister, a move many see as a clear misuse of the nation's resources. The Minister of Justice, Madame Émilie Prophet, has gone as far as to declare areas under the control of the gangs as lost territories. While the government has publicly acknowledged that the police force is not adequately trained or equipped to eradicate the gangs, it's a different story when it comes to the handling of civilian protests. The ease with which firearms and ammunition reach the gangs is a stark contrast to the armed forces' struggle to maintain law and order. The police, despite their claimed inability to combat the gangs, seem to have no qualms about using force against civilians protesting Ariel Henry and his government. One beacon of hope in this grim situation has been the Protected Areas Security Brigade, or the BSAP. A force of over 25,000 armed personnel, the BSAP has consistently stood with the population against the gang terror. However, in a move that has sparked outrage, Ariel Henry has dismissed the entire BSAP force. The aftermath: over 25,000 armed personnel, now jobless, and a cache of weapons that the government has failed to reclaim. To summarize, Ariel Henry's reign has been marked by the unchecked rise of local gangs, the misuse of the nation's army, and the controversial dismissal of the BSAP force. Despite the challenges, the spirit of the Haitian people remains unbroken. The future of Haiti hangs in a delicate balance, a balance that will be determined by the actions of its leaders and the resilience of its people. This video aims to encourage Haitian youth to take responsibility and prevent the destruction of their country.